Come test drive the 2021 NV Cargo. The Nissan NV Cargo is a mixture of functionality, efficiency, and performance. A wide variety of styles allows you to pick the perfect match for your needs. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires front performance, tires rear all season, tires rear performance. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.